Okay, I'm just going to use broadcast and receive to show you how to time up a conversation. So let's remember how to use the Sprite library real quick. So anytime I look, let's say I want a new backdrop, usually the very left-hand choice down here in the new backdrop. So there's Sprite backdrop, there's the left-hand choice. If I hit it, I can choose a backdrop of some sort. It doesn't really matter what I choose here, so I'm just going to pick one at random. And so now I have a backdrop. If I want another sprite, by the same token, I go here to the sprites menu and I choose a new sprite, and that's usually from the left-hand one. And again, this time I'll just grab some guy at random or some thing at random or whatever else. We'll choose a crab for right now. And I just hit OK. And so then if I want to move them, I can move them wherever I want. And I'm just going to move the crab a little closer perhaps. And then now I'm going to tell him to always go to this place when he starts. So when green flag is clicked from the brown menu and from the blue menu, go to that particular spot that I've got you sitting in right now. So whenever I click green flag, even if I've moved this guy and this guy around a little bit, if I click green flag, the only thing I've done is put some go-to things to put them at the very beginning. Let's have them have a conversation of some sort. So when green flag is clicked, we're going to go to the looks menu and we'll have the cat say hello for 2 seconds. And now here's where broadcast and receive comes in. We go to the events and we say, now broadcast message 1. So I'll go to the crab and I'll say from the crab, when I receive message 1, now he can answer him. He can perhaps say hello for 2 seconds, but maybe he'll say, hello, cat, how are you? Question mark. So he'll say, how are you for 2 seconds. So let's see what this runs. If I run it, he says hello. The broadcast and receive times up the thing for the crab. He says, hello, how are you? We could again go to the events message, and then we can now broadcast. And we can't broadcast message 1 again because it would just repeat over and over and over again. Or perhaps I'll show you that for a moment. So if he says hello and it broadcasts message 1, he says, hello, cat, how are you? And now again, what you're seeing is hello, cat, how are you? And what you're seeing again is hello, cat, how are you? And it's because the message 1 is just coming around and around and around. So that we've created a loop there, and that's an issue. So instead of message 1, we'll just say new message, and we'll call it MSG2. And we'll say OK. So now he says, hello, cat, how are you? And then obviously that stops. And then the cat, maybe he can say, when I receive, and then he's going to just say, when I receive message 2, that is my trigger to say, great, or whatever I want to say. Looks, I'm going to just say, great, exclamation mark. Thanks. All right, so again, all we've done is use broadcast and receive. Hello, cat, how are you? Cat says, great, thanks. To time up a conversation. And, that's one way to use broadcast and receive, and that's one way that we can use it in here. We'll continue to try to give you some other ideas and some more videos, but that's a real basic type to time up a conversation. Thanks.